Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Totowa, New Jersey, and we have just completed the 1/2-inch low iron frameless shower enclosure. Everything with square polished chrome hardware. And if you've watched any of my videos, this happens to be my most favorite feature, double locking door. Okay, and if you don't know why you would want your door to be a double locking, I'm sure that little video up there will explain. Anyway, so we've got double locking door, opens both in and out. Again, this is 1/2-inch low iron glass, and everything fit without a hitch. And again, accuracy is key to this trade. All right. So, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit our website, mjglassdoors.com.